Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales. So today we will be unboxing Orna Box for the month of February. It is a jewelry subscription and they have two editions, $4.99 plus 50 shipping and $7.99 plus free shipping. Orna is now a very personalized subscription and all the options will be listed at the end of this video. So let's get started. I received both boxes, the $4.99 and $7.99 boxes together. The green is $4.99 and blue is the $7.99. The packaging is very decent and it's very nice actually. On top of that, it has written Orna Box and everything. And once I open, I have the products wrapped up. So let's open up and see what we have in the $4.99 box first. The first jewelry piece in the $3.99 box is this beautiful neck piece. And as you know, it is a personalized box, so all the options I'll be listing at the end. So this is what I picked and I absolutely love this one. This is how the back side of the neck piece looks like. Very good quality and also it is not at all flimsy. It is quite sturdy and I really love the blue color. I saw blue color for choice as well, so I don't know if there are any other color options. And it also comes with a pair of earrings which you can wear separately as well. So this is my first pair of jewelry. Second jewelry piece that I have here is an earrings, and it is the Korean earrings. That's what we call the pattern. So this is plastic or wood. It looks like wood, and wow, this is a good one again. It's a very lightweight earrings, and I feel the dark green is a very rare color to get, and a good earrings is very rare to get, especially a modern one. So this is something that you can wear even with your jeans or kurti. It will go with all kinds of outfits. It's long, but it is very lightweight and I like this one as well. And the third jewelry piece is an earrings and it is the heaviest one today. So this is basically a jhumki with a part Afghani touch. It's actually very heavy and it's a full-on party wear kind of earrings which you can wear, and the quality and all looks good. So I'm happy that it is not a typical Afghani because I'm so done with Afghanis, and also not a typical jhumki but a variety design like a half moon and a jhumki. It's a nice pattern, quite heavy and also very good quality. So this is my third jewelry piece in the box. And this is the fourth jewelry piece in my box. It is a beautiful grey and black earrings. It is tassel earrings but not the typical tassel design. A very elegant design, very lightweight also. Something that in fact you can wear on a daily wear basis because it is not very over the top kind of design. A very elegant design, and this is how the back side looks like. I really liked this pattern. This is my first ever design in the tassel collection. I mean in this particular design, so it's very pretty. Last earrings or the last jewelry piece in my $3.99 box. No, it's $4.99. I've been saying $3.99 for a long time. It's $4.99. The prices have been revised. Very sorry about that. So this is how the earring looks like. It's very beautiful. It is again like a half moon shape and like a semicircle, and this is how the back side looks like. It's very lightweight and I like this one. The smaller earrings are usually, they're very common, like the designs are all like some look like a mini chambali and all. It's very, very common design, but this one is not very common, and I think maybe with a black kurti and with a red dupatta and a red chudi and all, you can wear these earrings and I think it will look nice in a very traditional kind of, very contemporary kind of look actually. So I really liked these earrings as well, and this is my last jewelry piece in the $4.99 Orna box. About the $4.99 box, I think I liked it. I think it's a value for money because there is like literally like 5 pairs of earrings and 1 necklace, and earrings are all from different category. There is jhumki, like there is daily wear, there is a Korean earrings, and then there is a beautiful very pretty neck piece. So I think that the $399 one has already impressed me much. Now we'll move on to the other one, which is the $799 one. We have the $799 one, which also offers free shipping. So inside that, again, everything is packed in portly. So let's open it up and see. The first jewelry piece is a very beautiful jhumki, very heavy, and I really like the pattern. It has pink pearls, and then there is white stones, and it's a very pretty earrings. I am a fan of jhumkis, and I like when the stuff pattern is a little different. So the quality of this one is also impressive. It's heavy. I wouldn't say it's a daily wear thing, but it looks very pretty. Such a beautiful pink color, and I think it goes well with my fur cloth as well. So this is the first jewelry piece. Second is a neck piece, and it goes well with the February Valentine's theme. It is a very lightweight, a dainty neck piece, and this is how the pendant looks like. So pretty, very lightweight, and something that college going students can definitely wear. It goes well with all outfits as well, so it's nice. It's a very thin neck piece, something that people like me would prefer. So this is the second jewelry piece. Third earrings is this, and oh my god, I really like it. It is giving me all these boho vibes, but it is absolutely pretty. And I have tassels, I have boho earrings, but I love this rainbow kind of design here, and it's not very heavy also. So this is how the back side of the earring looks like. It is not very heavy, but very pretty, and I really like it. It's nice. I think this will be a good addition into my collection. So that is the third earrings. The fourth jewelry piece is a very heavy neck piece, and just earlier I received a ring also in the same pattern, which completes my collection. So I am so happy about that, and it's a very heavy neck piece. It's oxidized metal, and it has this red thread kind of pattern going on, and this is how the closure is. It is not a tying like closure, but this is how the closure looks like, and it's a very beautiful neck piece, and I really love these kind of neck pieces to wear, especially for a party or something, with a traditional outfit, or mostly maybe with a sari. It's a very beautiful earring. I mean, it's a very beautiful necklace, and it's very pretty. It also comes with earrings. I believe it is like a pair, not exactly the same design, but in the same family. So this is again oxidized metal jhumkis, and I really like this one. I have jhumkis. I think I have the same design, and I gifted it to someone, and I was asked if I have more. Probably yes, now I have more. I think this will be a good addition to those who love jhumkis. I have this design and I really like it. It is again daily wear, not really, but it's a bit heavy, but it's very pretty. So this will definitely go well with the neck piece as well. And the last jewelry piece that I have here is a bracelet. Again, several designs were available, and this is what I picked. The color was random, and this is how the bracelet looks like. It looks like a watch actually, and this is how the closure is. It's nice. It's very pretty, and some people who really it's a nice design, and quality wise also right now it seems to be very good. So this is the last jewelry piece in my $7.99 box. So coming to how I like it, I liked it. I like it because number of jewelry wise almost same as $4.99 one, but the design, like the quality and all, is definitely a little better. Maybe other than this earring, this again it was my choice. I could have picked something else as well. I feel every other thing is very unique. This neck piece is beautiful. This is dainty. This is like two extremes, but it will go well with people like me. This earrings is very pretty. This jhumki is so beautiful. I don't know how, like, I can wear jhumkis for a lifetime, but this one I'm not gifting it to anyone. I really like it. And even the bracelet. I think this month both the $4.99 and the $7.99 boxes are good. Even if you buy both boxes, you will end up having lots of good products. Maybe we'll just see all of them together. I've arranged everything in one frame, and now I feel that I have 3 earrings that will go well with the neck piece. This one will also be, it will be like a very party wear kind of heavy look, but it will be good. So this is everything that I got in my $4.99 plus $7.99. Together that makes it like what, 1,300. I think the shipping will be like plus 50 only for $4.99. So I think I've received very good jewelry pieces, unique jewelry pieces, good quality, and also something that will cater to the needs of like daily wear is there, party wear is there. I think I really liked the box and the jewelry pieces. So Orna this time also did not disappoint me. Last time it was a bit more versatile because we had a watch and we had a scarf necklace. So I would maybe request you to add a bit more of versatile products, something like, you know, watch or something, I don't know exactly. That would be great, or maybe even a jewelry storage container or something. It's just a thought. So yeah, that's it, but I definitely liked the box. So that's my review about Orna boxes for the month of February. We will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. So I'm happy to announce that Orna Box has started the Orna Factory Insta page, wherein you can buy individual pieces at wholesale prices. The link I'll try to put in the description box. Now moving on to the options. This is the neck piece option for the $7.99 box. The neck piece for the $4.99 one. The boho earrings. The Korean or the wooden earrings. If you don't want, then you can go for a traditional one as well. Then the Afghani jhumki ones, and finally the tassels. So yeah.